Safety monitoring. Safety monitoring is a proactive area of health and safety practice directed at identifying hazards and assessing and evaluating safety performance. Safety monitoring systems form part of the arrangements for health and safety in the organization's statement of health and safety policy. Safety monitoring may take the form of safety inspections. A safety inspection is generally taken to mean a scheduled inspection of a workplace or part of a workplace by a health and safety specialist, a group of safety representatives, or a designated manager. A safety inspection has a number of objectives, such as to identify hazards, to examine compliance with safe systems of work, the use of personal protective equipment, safe use of substances, etc., to examine the workplace as part of an accident investigation, to examine maintenance and housekeeping standards, in the case of trade union safety representatives, to ensure their members are adequately protected against risks to their health and safety. There is no standard format for a safety inspection, but generally this entails walking the workplace, internally and externally, observing working practices and identifying hazards and shortcomings in the employer's protection arrangement. Safety audits. A safety audit is defined by ROSPA as the systematic measurement and validation of an organization's management of its health and safety program against a series of specific and attainable standards. This form of monitoring subjects each area of an organization's activities to a systematic critical examination with the objective of minimizing injury and loss. Safety audits place great strength on the examination of management systems for safety, commencing with the statement of health and safety policy and reviewing procedures for risk assessment, the training and appointment of competent persons, documentation arrangements. Example, for permit-to-work systems, planned preventive maintenance procedures, environmental monitoring, accident and incident reporting procedures and methods for ensuring legal compliance. As with safety inspections, there is no standard format for a safety audit, but many organizations have developed their own in-house format, which is used to measure management performance. Safety surveys. A safety survey can comprise a detailed examination of a number of critical areas of operation, or an in-depth study of the whole health and safety operations of a workplace. The outcome of a safety survey is a safety survey report outlining short-term, medium-term, and long-term recommendations for health and safety improvement over, for example, a 5-year period. The person undertaking the safety survey generally revisits at specified intervals to assess progress in implementation of the recommendations and prepares a progress report for the attention of local management. Safety tours. Safety tours take the form of an unscheduled examination of a workplace by a group of people, such as a safety committee, with the objective of ensuring, for example, previous committee recommendations for safe working are in place, to hear the views of employees on health and safety, to check current arrangements with respect to fire protection, machinery safety, etc. are being maintained and to examine housekeeping levels. The purpose of a safety tour should be specified and, to be effective, recommendations made by tour members should be implemented quickly. Safety tours also help to raise interest in the subject among employees if they can see their observations are being noted and acted upon by management. Safety sampling exercises. Safety sampling is a technique designed to measure, by random sampling, the accident potential in specific parts of a workplace, or premises of a similar nature, such as offices, shops, workshops, and kitchens. by identifying specific safety defects or omissions. Many multi-site organizations use safety sampling exercises as a means of comparing safety performance across their various locations, with a view to rewarding good or improved performance by managers and taking remedial action in the event of poor performance.